For this third video, we'll be taking a look on the inside of the Marchant 716. I'm not too familiar with electronics myself, but I'm sure somebody watching will appreciate a look on the inside. Taking a look underneath, we can see that there are 6 slot-headed screws here. As well, there's 2 on the back that we'll have to remove. And with those removed, we can lift the top part of the case off. Oh, we'll also have to pull this. There we go. And we can see the first layer of the electronics along with the bare keyboard. To remove the keyboard, it's these 4 screws. And actually, before removing the last part of the keyboard, we just need to pop this power cord out. And we can pull this whole thing away from the lower body. And there you can see the underside of the keyboard and part of the lowest PCB. And then to remove the layers of electronics, I believe it's just one here. Oh, and one on the other side. And then this plastic material, which is used as I think as an insulator on all the hardware, you can see it as pads here, has become quite brittle. I don't know if it started that way or if it's just with age. If you have a device like this that you're working on as well, just be mindful of that. So you can see each layer of the board attaches to the next one with these blue headers. I'm not sure of the functionality of each layer. And if they have a specific task other than presumably the top one is primarily for the display itself. And then you can see here, this is the lowest layer of the machine. Again, I'm not too sure what each individual section does, or I'm not too familiar with electronics, but you will notice that there's no dedicated processor at all. It's all component based. The other thing you can see on each board is there's a printing of the manufacturer, which is Toshiba. You can see that as well on this one here. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with electronics myself, so I can't give too many details, but I'm sure somebody appreciates the disassembly and better look on the insides. Thank you for watching.